right, this is the GOAT ECOVACS A3000 with the True Edge trimmer. So this has an AI camera built into it. It has a 360 LiDAR, and it has, which I'm pretty sure no other robot lawnmower has, is a weed whacker on the side here. So you see that? This can actually,
please protect the sensor on the top.
This can actually weed whack.
Please protect the sensor.
I know, relax. This can actually weed whack and do all the trimming all around your house. Now this thing's gonna be flipping out for a while because I tilted it. I think I can stop. I put it back on the ground. But yeah, really neat robot. These things work great. Using AI camera, using the 360 LiDAR, this will be able to map out your lawn and cut your lawn. So it's not only like does it map your lawn all by itself, it then cuts your lawn all by itself. No more need to be connected to the satellites or dealing with RTK connections where, you know, if it goes under a heavy tree, it loses the view of the sky and just sits there and dies. This doesn't do that anymore because it's all built in, it's self-contained. The mapping and cutting, everything is self-contained within the robot itself. So really neat. This is the docking station. It comes here, will automatically charge when it needs to. I have it plugged in because I'm setting it up this weekend, so I kind of have it charging. Very familiar with these robots. I have a few of them. These guys are on top of their game. Very excited. This is the ECOVACS A3000 GOAT. This is their LiDAR Pro. This is their top of the line. It's awesome.